Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for your Udemy account. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome web browser, and after that, on the top section right over here, that is your URL section, type down udemy.com and enter it after you're done. And after that, we could see we just landed to Udemy official homepage, and in the top right corner, there's a sign up option right over here. Click on that. And after that, here we could see in order to sign up, we are required with our full name, email, as well as our password. So simply type down your name, full name, and your email as well. And make sure you create a strong password. And after that, if you want Udemy to get you special offers, personalized recommendations, and learning tips, you can select this option. Simply click over here. But if you do not prefer that, click back again. And after that, you could click on this option that says sign up, and then you'll be successfully able to create an account in Udemy account. And after entering everything, you may need to verify it by clicking on a link, send it to your email inbox. This is essential step for account security. And once you have signed up, you may be prompted to complete your profile by adding more information such as your interest, goals, or areas of expertise. And this step is optional but can help personalize your learning experience on Udemy. And once you signed up and completed any necessary steps, you're ready to start browsing Udemy's extensive library of courses. You can search for courses by category, keyword, or topic of interest. And that's it. You're now signed up for Udemy and ready to start learning. Remember to explore the platform regularly for new courses and opportunities to expand your skills and knowledge. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.